Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Okay, Monday we don't have any trade rooms. Tuesday at 5 a.m. we'll be watching the German zoo report. No trade room, but we will start Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. for the core PPI report, and then we'll be back in the room at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. That's a family money trade. 2 a.m. on Wednesday, we'll just be watching the British CPI PPI report, no trade room. Our first trade room on Wednesday will be at 6:30 in the morning for JP Morgan's earnings. Citibank earnings at 7:30 back in the trade room. Crude oil inventories at 10 a.m. and then the NOPA Crush report, a family money trade, 11:30 on Wednesday. We'll just be watching the Beige Book at 2 p.m. and the Australia Employment Report is at 7:30 p.m. No trade room for that event. Thursday morning at 2 o'clock is the British Industrial Production GDP and Manufacturing Production. No trade room for that event. Our first trade room on Thursday will be a family money earnings trade, United Health, 5:30 in the morning. Goldman Sachs at 7:10 and Morgan Stanley at 7:10. We'll probably stay in the room for retail sales, which is at 8 o'clock. We'll possibly take a few-minute break between the earnings. And then at 10 a.m., we'll be back in the room on Thursday for natural gas storage. 9 p.m. in the evening, we just watch the Chinese retail sales industrial production. Friday, we'll pop into the room at 8 o'clock for a report that's really lost its luster, building permits and housing starts, and that's why we have it on watch. But we will have a trade room because we might be able to grab a magnet for that event. So that will be our last event of the week. Make sure you come into the trade room, especially if you're new. That's the best place to learn and supercharge your education. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody in the room. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and I'll see you all very soon. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. See you in the trade room.